Hello and welcome to Himalayan Dawn. My name is Vivek Tiwari, and today we'll talk about something which you all have been noticing. If you live in Uttarakhand, especially in Dehradun, you have probably noticed it already. The skies are clear, air is dry, and there is no rain in the winter season. No gentle drizzle, no refreshing showers, and certainly no snow blanketing the hills. This isn't just a local quake, it's a statewide emergency unfolding right now. Uttarakhand is gripped by one of its worst climate crises ever, a severe hydrological drought triggered by a near total absence of winter rain and snowfall. As reported in National Herald India and Down to Earth, rivers are parching, crops are withering, and forests are igniting. Glaciers are losing mass at alarming rates. This is climate change hitting hard, and it's happening now. An unusually dry winter has gripped Uttarakhand and the withered Central Himalayan region. Winter rain and snowfall, crucial for rivers, soil moisture, forest and glacier, are almost completely absent. Scientists warn this could be one of the worst climate crises the state has faced in decades. The impact is already visible on the ground. Officials from the Uttarakhand Agriculture Department report 15 to 25% crop losses across multiple districts. Wheat crop alone has suffered nearly 15% damage, with losses rising in areas like Chamoli, Tiri, Bageshwar, Uttarkashi, and Dehradun. In Uttarkashi district, wheat damage has reached 20% in Batwari and Dunda block, while Chinalisore, Purola, Nagaon and have also reported significant losses. In Dehradun, Chakrauta and Kalsi, wheat and pea crops have suffered 15 to 20% damage. Agriculture officials warn that if rain does not arrive soon, crops in hill district could fail completely. The situation is especially alarming because 90% of Uttarakhand's agriculture is rain-fed. Experts say soil moisture has evaporated, seeds are failing to germinate, and leaves are turning yellow, clear sign of drought stress. Horticulture is also under severe threat. Apple cultivation depends on 1000 to 1500 chilling hours in winter, but this year, extreme temperature fluctuations are creating what scientists call false spring condition. In high altitude areas like Herald, night temperatures are dropping to minus 10 degrees Celsius, while daytime temperatures are rising to 15 to 20 degrees. This irregular pattern increases the risk of premature flowering, small fruit size, and reduced quality, affecting apples, apricots, and plums alike. The warning signs are even more alarming in the high Himalayas. At Tungnath, located at over 12,000 feet, snow usually blankets the region by December. But for the first time since 1985, Tungnath remains snowless even in mid-January. Scientists warn that the absence of snow is disturbing the natural life cycle of alpine plants and rare medicinal herbs, which includes kutki, jatamansi, and vantulsi. According to glaciologists at the Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology, the lack of snow accumulation could push Uttarakhand's glacier into a negative mass balance, meaning glaciers are losing more ice than they gain. This accelerates glacier melt and increases the risk of expanding glacier lakes and future disasters. India Meteorological Department data reveals a dramatic collapse in winter precipitation. In 2021, there was around 3 to 4 feet of snowfall. 2022, around 1 to 2 feet. 2023 to 2025, just 1 to 3 inches of snowfall has been reported. And 2026, snowfall so far is almost negligible. Winter rainfall has fallen from 182 mm in 2021 to 12 mm in 2024, 4 mm in 2025, and zero rainfall recorded so far this winter. Meteorology says the root cause lies in the changing western disturbance, weather systems that bring winter rain and snow to the Himalayas. Their frequency and intensity have declined sharply since the 1980s, delaying snowfall by 30 to 40 days and reducing it by nearly 70%. One of the most immediate and dangerous consequences of this dry winter has been forest fire during winter. Fires have already been reported in the Nanda Devi National Park, buffer zone, Gangotri Valley, and the Valley of Flowers. In Chamoli district, authorities have sought help from the State Disaster Response Force and even the Indian Air Force to control the fire. In districts like Pithoragarh, Himalayan peaks such as Pancholi, Hasling, and Om Parvat, usually buried under thick snow, now appears dark and barren. In villages like Gunji, where 2 feet of snow is normal by January, there is dust instead of snow. Experts warn that unchecked development, deforestation, and increasing human intervention in high altitude areas are worsening the crisis. Environmentalists stress that protecting forests for limiting disturbance in the upper Himalayas is now critical to restoring ecological balance. As per the media reports, this is not a future threat, this is happening now. With crops drying, forests burning, glaciers shrinking, and mountains turning black, Uttarakhand's climate crisis is a direct warning, not just for the hill, but for millions who depend on Himalayas water system.